Today, we're diving into the Supermicro PWS-561-1H20 power supply, a robust offering in the realm of PC power solutions. With an output power of 560 watts, it boasts ample capacity to fuel your system's demands, whether you're a casual user or a hardcore gamer pushing your rig to the limits. One of the standout features of this power supply is its compatibility with both ATX and EPS connectors, ensuring versatility in its usage. Whether you're building a standard desktop setup or a workstation requiring extra power for demanding tasks, the PWS-561-1H20 has you covered. Speaking of versatility, its form factor of ATX12V makes it suitable for a wide range of PC builds, fitting neatly into most standard cases without hassle. This means you won't have to worry about compatibility issues or sacrificing performance for size. But what truly sets this power supply apart is its reliability and efficiency. Supermicro, a trusted brand in the industry, delivers on its promise of quality with this product. Its stable power delivery ensures consistent performance while keeping energy consumption in check, which is not only good for your wallet but also for the environment. Whether you're a seasoned PC builder or a newcomer to the scene, the Supermicro PWS-561-1H20 power supply offers the perfect balance of power, compatibility, and efficiency. So if you're looking for a reliable and capable PSU to complete your build, look no further than this powerhouse from Supermicro. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.